kids, hope you're all well. We're missing the school life. I know that I've been very busy with my children. We've been able to do lots of creative things whilst we've been at home, using lots of things that we've already got around the house. I wanted to share some of those experiences with you guys. So I want to first show you, we're going to be making our own exploding potion. Now I know that year 4 children have done this recently, and it is just so much fun. So I'm just going to go through a really easy ingredient with you. So here I've just got some water, just normal tap water. I'm placing it on a plate and you'll see why afterwards. I've got in our cupboards just some white wine vinegar. So remember, if you're taking things at your parents' carers' cupboards, that you need to be asking permission first. So I'm just going to pour just some in there like that. No measuring, we're just pouring in. I've got here as well some food colouring. Now, the food colouring that I've got in my cupboard is blue. You can use any colour you want. You can add glitter into here. You can add other things that you think will float. It'll be quite cool. So I'm just going to pour some of this in here, just make it nice and blue for us. Wow. Okay, and then I'm just going to grab a spoonful of bicarbonate of soda. So we use this in baking, especially when we're looking at baking cakes. I'm going to grab a spoonful. Just one big spoonful. Are we ready for the magic? Just pouring it in there like that. Wow. So cool, eh? So now you can see why I needed the plate. Amazing. Nice and easy, nice and quick, just normal things that are in your cupboards. So again, water, white wine vinegar, food colouring of your choice, and bicarbonate of soda. Enjoy making.